Nirmaana 24 brings in this technology with experts having experience in using the technology, and also they are going to share their knowledge and wisdom on each of these themes that we have listed out.
Day 1 of Nirmaana 2024 showcased cutting-edge innovations in construction, from drone technology to robotics, setting the stage for a transformative future. Day 2 of Nirmaana 2024 explored advanced solutions like 3D printing, AI-assisted inspections, and green buildings, highlighting the future of sustainable construction. Nirmaana 2024 successfully concluded, showcasing innovative technologies shaping the future of smart and sustainable construction.